Luffa Gourds this summer, you probably noticed that over time as they got older and more mature, they went from a darker green and then they got lighter and lighter until they finally ended up being a crispy brown. So at this point is when you want to harvest them, when they're crispy brown. Unless you were going to eat them, in which case you'd want to eat them when they were like this. So when it gets to the crunchy part, you're going to take the skin off, and the way you're going to do that is just by literally crunching it. And then you can start peeling it. So when you finish taking the skin off, you'll have something that looks like this. And you'll also notice that it's filled with seeds that you can give your friends and neighbors. They come out pretty dark when they first come out of the skin. So if you want it to look like the ones in the store, or you want to make them look pretty for giving as gifts, you can soak them in bleach water for a while until they get bleached white. So if you grew Luffa Gourds this summer, this is how you can turn them into gifts for family and friends.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.